So now let's do letters W, X, Y, and Z. So what are the words that starts with W? Let's see. Here is a watch that starts with W. Here is a watermelon. Watermelon starts with W. A watch starts with W. Here is Wolverine from X-Men. He's an action figure. Wolverine starts with W. Now let's see what's in here. Walrus starts with W. Walrus. So here we got a mold for a wedge of an orange. Wedge starts with W. We're gonna use orange Play-Doh. Here we got orange, wedge. Let's use green this time. Here we got a green, orange wedge. Let's make it colorful. How about yellow? So here we got orange, green, and yellow. Wedge. Wedge starts with W. So now let's do letter X. What are the words that start with letter X? Let's see. Here is the xylophone, and xylophone starts with letter X. What else? Here is an X-ray. X-ray starts with letter X. Let's see what's in here. Here we got a Zolo. Zolo starts with letter X. Zolo. Now let's make something from Play-Doh, starting with letter X. We're gonna use yellow Play-Doh. So here we got a xylophone. A xylophone starts with letter X. Now let's do letter Y. So what are the words that starts with letter Y? Let's see. Here I got a yarn, Yarn starts with letter Y. What else starts with letter Y? Here I got a yo-yo. A yo-yo starts with letter Y. Just like this one. This is a toy yo-yo. It goes back. It's fun to play with. Cool. Now let's see what this has. Here we got a yak. Yak starts with letter Y. Yak. So here we make a yo-yo out from Play-Doh. Yo-yo starts with letter Y. Now let's do letter Z. What are the words that starts with letter Z? Let's see. Here we got a zipper. Zipper starts with letter Z. What else? Here we got a zebra, and zebra starts with letter Z. Here we also got zebra that starts with letter Z. And here we also got another zebra that starts with letter Z. So now let's make something that starts with letter Z using Play-Doh. Here we're using a blue Play-Doh. Here we got a 0. Let's do some more. What's this? This is zigzag. Zigzag starts with letter Z, and 0 starts with letter Z. Now we are all done. Here we got the uppercase letters: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And now we have the lowercase letters: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thank you so much for watching with me going through all the letters of the alphabet using Play-Doh. It was fun. Hope you guys like it. This is Jen of the Kids Fun Toys. Please subscribe for more, where learning is fun.